Hi there, students. Smithereens. Yeah, be careful of this word because it's just about always plural. Smithereens, a plural countable noun. To blow to smithereens, to smash to smithereens, to break to smithereens, to break something into very small pieces. The vase fell off the table and lay on the floor in smithereens, in tiny pieces. Now notice we don't use a smithereen to talk about a very tiny piece, one only. Smithereens are just these little pieces of something everywhere. Okay, the explosion blew the building to smithereens. They bombed the city to smithereens. The building was blown to smithereens. Okay, notice I'm normally using a prepositional phrase, to smithereens, in smithereens, in very small pieces. Yeah. I'm going to have to pick up the smithereens that are all over the floor. Fragments, splintered pieces, tiny bits. Yeah. My confidence was in smithereens. So notice you can use it metaphorically. Yeah. Just tiny little pieces of it. Yeah. It was in smithereens. It was in tiny little pieces. Notice you can actually also use the word smithers as well. Yeah, it was in smithers. Smithers are effectively the same as smithereens. Yeah, I guess shards as well might work as a synonym. The country's economy was in smithereens after it defaulted on its public debt, for example. Okay, so smithereens. Let's see, formality. This is informal. I'd probably give it a 4 informality. Use it in an informal conversation. Use it in a semi-formal conversation. Semi-formal writing, maybe in shards, in pieces, something like that. I might use something else. But remember, it's very important with this. It's almost unheard of to use this word a smithereen. No, smithereens. It's talking about all of these little pieces. When something smashes, it fractures into tiny pieces. And then as to origin, it probably comes from Irish, from the word smerdin, yeah, meaning smithereens or tiny little pieces. Okay, and normally to break, to smash, to blow up, to explode, to not even to tear, because tear, these are bigger than smithereens. Smithereens are tiny little pieces. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Smithereens.